Did you know you can devour these 11 guilt-free foods and burn fat at the same time? Number 3 is a celebrity favorite. Stay until the end to find out how these foods can help you transform your body without starving yourself. Imagine enjoying delicious meals that not only satisfy your taste buds, but also help you shed those extra pounds. Sounds like magic, right? But it is not. Today I reveal to you 11 super low-calorie superfoods that will be your best allies in losing weight without sacrificing flavor. They'll keep you full, energized, and your calorie count under control. Spinach. At just 7 calories per cup, this leafy green is a quiet champion in the world of nutrition. Perfect for those who follow low-meat diets, as it provides iron, calcium, vitamin K, plant-based folate, and a good dose of fiber. But that's not all. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that act as an internal shield for the eyes, filtering blue light from screens and preventing oxidative damage. Have you ever felt eye strain after a day in front of the computer? Spinach could be your ally. Add to salads, smoothies, or stir-fries, and watch your energy increase. And a tip: when combined with food number 5, it triggers a synergy that improves liver cleansing. Do you want to know why? If you want me to explain exactly how to detox your liver with these foods and other powerful combinations, leave the word detox in the comments, so I'll know how to connect you with a full video on the most effective liver cleansing tricks. Cucumbers. Thirsty? Try a cucumber. 95% of its weight is water, but it only has 16 calories per cup. Refreshing, crunchy, and packed with electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, it can hydrate you as effectively as many sports drinks without added sugar. It also contains fisetin, a flavonoid that promotes brain health. Here's the promised trick: eat it with the skin on and chill it before cutting it. It triples its satiating effect as the fiber becomes more resistant to digestion. Can you imagine what other vegetable combined with cucumber can help you eliminate fluids even faster? Celery, due to its mild diuretic effect, would be an excellent combination with cucumber to enhance the elimination of liquids. Zucchini. Versatile, tender, and with only 17 calories per 100 grams, this vegetable is the hidden star of many healthy recipes. You can cut it into strips to make low-carb pasta, grate it to make fritters, or even mix it into brownies with cocoa. It also provides vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants such as lutein. And did you know that there is a secret recipe in which zucchini tastes like lasagna, but without pasta, flour, or almost any calories? And it is a lasagna made with zucchini slices instead of pasta, combined with light sauces and vegetables. Cauliflower. At 27 calories per cup, this white vegetable may fly under the radar until you discover all it can do. Rice, pizza base, puree, tortillas, vegan wings. Its choline content makes it crucial for memory and nervous system health. The secret? Steam it or roast it lightly, avoiding excess water to preserve its properties. And if you ferment it, its nutritional value skyrockets. Do you want to know how? It can be fermented as is done with other vegetables in brine, which generates natural probiotics that multiply its benefits. Only 11 calories per 100 grams, but its spicy flavor, similar to that of mild mustard, awakens both the palate and the metabolism. Watercress contains glucosinolates that help detoxify the liver and strengthen the immune system. Scientific studies have even linked regular consumption with a lower risk of suffering from certain cancers. The best part? Few know that watercress has more calcium per gram than milk. Do you want to know which fruits combine well with it to prepare a powerful detox smoothie? Fruits such as pineapple, green apple, and lemon, which combine acidity and sweetness, are ideal for balancing the spicy flavor of watercress. Apple. An apple a day not only keeps the doctor away, it also keeps you full. With 86 calories, its high pectin content slows down digestion, reduces sugar spikes, and prolongs satiety. Are you craving something sweet at night? Try baking it with cinnamon. You will get a warm, comforting, and anti-anxiety dessert. Here's the hidden fact. Apple peel contains quercetin, an antioxidant that acts as a natural anti-inflammatory. Can you imagine what spice to combine it with to improve your mood? With cinnamon, which not only enhances the sweet flavor but also has relaxing and blood sugar regulating properties. Remember, the key is balance and choosing the options that best suit your needs. If you want to delve deeper into this topic and discover how you can keep your sugar under control, I have something special for you. Below in the comments, I leave you a free resource that I have prepared especially for you. Download it and discover practical advice, tips, and all the information you need to take care of your health effectively. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. Each cup has about 50 calories but provides powerful antioxidants such as anthocyanins and vitamin C. These compounds help reduce brain inflammation, improve memory, and protect the heart. And pay attention, if you freeze them and eat them on an empty stomach, they can have an even greater effect on satiety and morning energy. Do you want a recipe for a berry dessert that looks like ice cream but actually cleanses your body? You can prepare a nice cream by mixing frozen red fruits with a little banana and vegetable yogurt, achieving a satiating and antioxidant effect. Carrots, 52 calories per cup. Crunchy, sweet, and full of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. This vitamin is key for the skin, night vision, and the immune system. But here's a trick that few know. Steaming them not only improves their natural sweetness, but also increases the bioavailability of beta-carotene. What if I told you that you can make a sweet carrot cream with coconut and ginger that promotes digestion? This mixture combines fiber, natural sweetness, good fats, and a digestive touch of ginger, ideal as a healthy dessert. Broccoli, 31 calories per cooked cup, packed with vitamin C, K, and bioactive compounds such as sulforaphane, which activates enzymes that detoxify the body at the cellular level. Fun fact, Navy SEALs consume it regularly for its ability to maintain stable energy levels without sluggishness. But be careful. By boiling too much, you lose up to 50% of its nutrients. Do you know how to steam it without making it mushy? Steaming it for 3 to 4 minutes maximum, and then passing it under cold water to preserve its texture and nutrients. 33 calories per cup, and a concentration of antioxidants that have made it famous among athletes, models, and chefs. Contains vitamin K, calcium, iron, and flavonoids with anti-inflammatory effects. Its texture may seem rough, but with a massage of olive oil and salt, it becomes the perfect base for gourmet salads. And if you bake it, you can make crispy chips. Do you want to know which spices enhance its detoxifying properties? Turmeric, ginger, and black pepper are ideal to combine with kale, since their anti-inflammatory properties complement each other. Peppers, 46 calories per cup, with more vitamin C than many fruits. Did you know that? The red ones are sweet and rich in antioxidants. The green ones are more bitter and detoxifying. And the oranges? Well, oranges hide a compound that could help you burn fat faster. Do you know the best time of day to eat them if you are following a body toning plan? In the morning or at noon, when the metabolism is most active and the nutrients can be better used. Now you know, eating delicious, healthy, and guilt-free is possible. Incorporate these superfoods into your daily life and your body will notice the difference. Remember, losing weight is not about suffering, but about making smart decisions. And hey, don't forget to check out the next video I've linked for you right here. It's packed with more tips and tricks to boost your health journey even further. Stay tuned and keep making those smart choices. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that inspires you to live better. Your transformation begins with what you decide to put on your plate. And you've just taken the first step.